Hi, welcome to this tutorial series on Spring IOC. So this series of tutorial is about the annotation based approach. So I am covering all different annotation used in Spring IOC. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some of the Spring IOC bean lifecycle annotations. So I'm going to cover post construct and pre-destroy annotation. So the post construct annotation is used when we want to call particular methods when the object of class is getting created. And so let's take an example of this project class. So this is just a model class. So let's say I want to call a particular methods after this class object is getting injected by Spring. So we can use component annotation to create object of this class. So when this class object is getting created, so let's say we want to call a method with some, we want to print some messages. So let's create a method here, public void after object created. So let's print out some messages here. So let's print object created. So when the object of this class is getting created, so this method will be called. For that purpose we have to use post construct annotation. And so okay, so let's import the package. Okay, so same way, if you want to call particular method when the object is getting destroyed, so you can use pre-destroy annotation. So okay, let's change the method name. We can give a method as a destroy method. Okay, so now we can test it out. So these two methods will be called. So these two annotations are actually bean lifecycle annotations. So we generally use these two annotation when we want to do some pre-processing and post-processing. So let's say we have some property file that, or let's say we have um, some DB connections or DB operation that we want to perform after the object is getting created, and after the object, before the object is getting destroyed, if we want to clean up some of the code, we want to close the connection or any of other different operations, so we can use redestroy for that purpose. So let's test it out. So I'm using component annotation here. The object will be automatically created. We don't have to declare the bean into XML file. So we see our XML file, so we just need to provide component scan annotation tag. So this component scan tag will actually, this will check out this package, and this will check out all different annotations and classes inside into this package and create the object of for all different classes. So here for this model class I am using component annotation. Object will be created. So same way, if we see our other service classes or implementation classes, I am using service annotation. So the object will be created uh, using component scan. So let's test it out. We have the test class, so we can run it. Okay, so there is some errors. Okay, so this error is actually not related to this tutorial. It is related to my last video, that is about the required annotation. So let's remove this and let's test it again. Okay, so it is working. So the our post construct annotation is working, and the pre-destroy annotation, to test the pre-destroy annotation we need to uh, use the shutdown hook. Okay, so this should be, register shutdown hook. Okay, so let's test it again. Okay, so I think we are printing the same message, so we can change the message here. Before object destroy. So it is working. So our pre-construct and post-construct and pre-destroyed, both annotations are working. So that's about these two annotations. So in my next video I'm going to cover the different annotation of string IOC. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.